Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a birthday card. Sorry, I haven't posted any videos lately, but I was taking a little bit of a rest for my health. Now I'm good. Hopefully I'm going to be posting more videos the next coming weeks. I'm making this card using candles. This is a die cut for candles, but I'm going to make them animated, like the Japanese kawaii, that everything is animated. They animate all the objects, and I think everybody loves this because they really look very cute. Find this type of objects with eyes and mouths and expressions. I just grabbing the candles, cut them in pattern paper. This is a like zigzag chevron pattern paper, and I grab these three colors and I'm going to stamp faces on them. After the stamping the faces, as you see, the flame of the candle is cut in glitter paper, but this die cut is in two parts. I'm talking about the flame. One part is the outside of the flame and the inside of the flame. Well, I cut everything in the same glitter paper, and I just color the inside with the copy markers in orange. After that, I'm going to glue everything in this piece of white cardstock because I'm going to decorate it. And as you see, I already glue legs and arms. These legs and arms are right now black, but I'm going to glue them other pieces of legs and arm in top of those black ones in the same color or a little bit darker of the color of the candle. I'm going to glue the flames, and after that I'm going to make details in the candles. Like, I'm going to color the tone of the middle candle, and I'm going to color the teeth of this candle using white gel pen. After that, I'm going to add glossy accent. Sorry, no. As you see here, I'm adding blush with chalk. This is pastel chalks, and I just grab a pink with a small brush and add it to the cheeks of the candles. I also going to glue googly eyes because I think they will look more cartoonish and funny this way. And after that is when I'm going to start adding the glossy accents to the mouth of the yellow candle and the tone of the pink candle, and in the flames of all candles I'm going to do this. I also going to add details with the this black marker is very fine point, and I going to add the definition in the top of the candle. Also going to add eyebrows. I made this banner. Sorry, I didn't make it in camera, but it's just a die cut. I cut the pieces in black, and then cut the pieces again in the color that I want to. I made the banner and I just glue it with foam tape. In each letter I add foam tape, and also adding to each letter a little bit of Mod Podge glitter, and I'm using these brushes to add a little bit of shadow in all around the panel of the paper. I'm using green, but I'm also going to add a little bit of yellow in this candle to make the flame to pop. After I finish doing the process with oxidized inks, I'm going to add some glitter around the whole paper. These glitter are in shape of, some of them are in shape of musical notes. The rest are stars and dots. When I'm finished gluing all the glitter, I'm going to add black dots with my gel black pen everywhere, and I'm going to glue that panel to black foam glitter foam. As you see here, I'm gluing the foam to the card base, and then I'm going to glue the card to the foam. I'm using this Yoo-hoo glue because I'm working with foam and I don't trust the white glue that is going to be stuck. Maybe glossy accent will work, but I really don't know. Well, this is the card for today. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like them. Until next time, goodbye.